In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a full-page mobile menu drawer in Shopify. We're going to turn the standard mobile menu into a full-screen drawer. So when your customers tap the menu icon on their phone, the menu will cover the entire screen, including the header. This gives a cleaner, more app-like experience and keeps your visitors focused on navigation. Let's start by going into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're logged in, look at the menu on the left-hand side and find the option called Online Store. Go ahead and click that. Under Online Store, you'll see your current theme displayed at the top of the page. On the right side of that theme, click the option to edit the theme. This will open the theme editor, where you can customize how your store looks. Inside the theme editor, we want to make sure we're working in the mobile view so we can see exactly how the menu behaves on smaller screens. Look toward the top right of the editor for the device icons. Click the mobile icon so that the preview on the right switches to the mobile view. You should now see a narrow phone-sized preview of your store. Next, open your mobile menu in the preview to see how it currently appears. Tap the menu icon, usually the three horizontal lines at the top. You'll notice that when the menu slides open, the header area is still visible behind or above the menu. Our goal is to make that menu cover the entire page, including that header section. To do that, look back to the left-hand panel in the theme editor. Find your header section in the list of sections and click it to open its editing and styling options. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the header settings until you find an area labeled Custom CSS. Click on that option and a text field will appear where you can paste your code. In that text field, paste the exact same code shown in this tutorial. You can pause the video here and copy the code from the link in the description box, then come back and paste it into the custom CSS field. Make sure you paste it carefully and don't remove any existing important styles unless you know what they do. Once the code is in place, open your mobile menu in the preview again. You should now see that when the menu opens, it fully covers the header area and fills the whole screen, creating that full page drawer effect. When you're happy with how it looks, don't forget to click Save in the top right corner of the theme editor. That will apply your changes to the live theme so your customers see the new full-page mobile menu drawer on their devices.